Let me take a sum where it says when two numbers are divided, when two numbers are divided by a certain number, the remainders are 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7, 8 respectively. Okay, but when their sum is divided by the same number, sum is divided by the same number, the remainder is 369. And then you need to find the divisor. I'm reading the problem once again. It says when two numbers are divided by a certain number, the remainders are 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7, 8 respectively. That means one number divided by a certain number, it gives 4, 5, 6, 7 as remainder. Then another number is divided by the same number, that certain number, it gives 5, 6, 7, 8 as remainder. But when their sum is divided, that means those two numbers, right, their sum is divided by the same number, the remainder is 369. Then what is the divisor? I have to find that out. Now to solve this kind of problem, what do? We take the sum of the two remainders first. The sum of the two remainders of the two divisions will be 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. How much does that give? 7 plus 8 will be 15, so 5. I have 1 to carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7, 14, so 4 here and 1 to carry. 5 plus 1, 6, plus 6, 12, so 12 here, 1 to carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, clear? So I have found the sum of the two remainders. Next, what do I have to do? I have to say it is because the required divisor has been subtracted required divisor has been subtracted only from the sum that we have got only from the sum that we have got $369 as the remainder. Therefore, the required divisor will be how much? How do we find that? The required divisor will be found by subtracting that 369 which came as remainder from the sum. That means 10245 minus 369. I have to subtract this remainder. How much do I get? 5 minus 9. That means 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 gives me 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 6. 1 is added to 6. Make it 7. Then I have 14 here. 14 minus 7 gives me 7. Then 1 is added to 3. Makes it 4. Next 12 minus 4 gives me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 8. Then 1 comes below here before 3. That means 10 minus 1 gives me 9. I get 9876. This is the required divisor. And here I can comment one last thing. Since each of the remainder is less than the divisor, the latter can be subtracted. Only once. Latter can be subtracted only once from the sum of the former two. From the sum of the former two. That means the first sum of the two numbers, from that the remainder what I said is, since each of the remainder is less than the divisor, the latter can be subtracted. Latter means what? Latter means the divisor, right? The divisor can be subtracted only once from the sum of the former two. That is what I did.